One of the best ways that you as a homeowner can protect yourself is to know what your roof estimate should include. In this video, we're going to break down what your roof estimate should include and also what to watch out for. Hi, I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. I've been in the construction industry for 45 years and started Bill Ragan Roofing Company 31 years ago. At Bill Ragan Roofing Company, we want to make sure that our homeowners have the knowledge to make an informed decision when they're ready to purchase a new roof. There's a lot to cover when we're talking about roof estimates. In fact, some roofing companies use their roof estimates to confuse homeowners like you into signing a bad contract. In this video, we're going to divide your roof estimate into 4 sections on what should be included in each of your roof estimates. Roof components, labor, methods, and fine print. Roof components. Each roof estimate should include something about if we run into some rotten decking. There should be something on your roof estimate that states how much it's going to cost per sheet or per linear feet. Some companies even include, say, 3 sheets of decking with their roof estimate, whether they need to replace it or not. Your roof estimate should also include a line item about drip edge, whether it's only on the eaves or whether it's on the rakes and the eaves. And it also should state the color. There should be a line item on your roof estimate about attic ventilation, whether it's ridge vents, box vents, turbine vents, and even if there's any type of intake ventilation that's being added. Your roof estimate should also include a line item about underlayment and what type is being used, whether it's felt or synthetic underlayment, ice and water shield, and where it's going to be used on your roof, starter shingles, and if it's going to be used on the rakes and the eaves, what type of shingle, what style shingle that you're going to use, and also what style ridge capping is going to be used on your roof also. And lastly, there should be a line item on your roof estimate about how penetrations are going to be flashed, whether they're going to have lead boots on them or if they're going to have pipe boots with collars. Whatever type of flashing is going to be done on the penetrations needs to be on your roof estimate. Also, flashing and where it's going to be replaced or installed also needs to be on there as well. Labor. Labor is usually included in each line item of the estimate. Dump fees is also included in your roof estimate, as well as cleanup and a magnet sweep as well. Methods. Another line item on your roof estimate should specify what type of installation method is going to be used, whether it's hand nailing or air guns being used should be specified, and also the number of nails per shingle should be on there as well. Your roof estimate should also include a phrase in there that says that they are going to cover and protect your shrubbery and your foliage. Also, if you have a pool, it needs to be protected as well, and that should be a line item in your roof estimate. One of the areas on your roof estimate that you need to pay close attention to is how many layers are on your roof. If you have 2 layers on your roof and the roof estimate only says that they're going to remove 1 layer, then you're going to get hit with an additional charge for that extra layer. So make sure that the roof estimate accurately says how many layers are on your roof and that it's going to be taken down to a clean deck. Fine print. When it comes to the fine print on a roof estimate, that's where you have to pay real close attention. A lot of roofing companies will put many items in the fine print that, in my opinion, should not be in there. Like, for instance, if it starts raining while they're in the process of tearing off your roof, they're not responsible for damages. Or if they crack drywall, they're not responsible for it. Just a lot of things in the fine print that you need to be aware of. Also keep in mind that anytime you sign a contract, you have 3-day right of rescission. So anytime within 72 hours, you can call that roofing company and cancel that contract without any repercussions. It is a state law that you have 3-day right of rescission. With today's fluctuations in material prices, there should also be a line item in your roof estimate about how long that roof estimate price is good for. Sometimes it's 30 days if the prices are real volatile. If they've steadied themselves out a little bit, it could be up to 90 days that your roofing price is good for. And one of the last items on your roof estimate to be looking for is what is the warranty. What type of workmanship warranty and what type of material warranty you're going to get with your new roof. And last but not least, make sure that your contractor goes over in great detail your roof estimate with you and make sure that you have a clear understanding of every line item that is on there. And if you know of anything or think of anything that's not on there, now is the time to speak up and ask that question. To ensure that you get a contractor that doesn't take advantage of you, click on our link below and watch our video on how to select the right roofing contractor. Thanks for watching our video today. I'm Bill Ragan, and remember, if a customer of mine has a problem, then I have a problem.